Hello and welcome to a next YouTube video on my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you Bitonite. Bitonite is a fully automated crypto commodity trading platform for beginners and experts. Today I want to show you the benefits of this platform, why it is an amazing opportunity to join early because this project will be launching in a few days, and how you can start with it. First of all, maybe somebody already knows PalmSwap. It is a decentralized exchange where you can trade perpetuals decentralized with up to 10x leverage. One of the founders of PalmSwap is also one of the founders of Bitonite, because at PalmSwap you need to be an experienced trader to make profits, and at Bitonite it is made fully automated also for beginners and experts. So let's talk about Bitonite. First of all, in the video description there's a referral link which you can use to register in the pre-register dashboard. After your registration it will look like this. You can already deposit bitcoins here with a 10% deposit bonus until the 5th April. So only a few days are left. And this is not the finished dashboard yet. There will be an updated dashboard also in a few days coming out. So let's get into the business presentation of Bitonite. Bitonite is also already active on YouTube and Telegram, so if you want to see the vision calls of them, for example, you can check this out. This is the Bitonite team. Also the founders are also able to speak German, which is already a bit more trustworthy than many other projects in the crypto scene. And also one important thing is that there are the names of them and pictures of them, which is also more trustworthy, which I really like. So about Bitonite. The team behind Bitonite consists of experienced entrepreneurs, software developers, financial market analysts, marketing experts, and product managers. So this team is very experienced, and the priority of them is to provide the user with an easy entry into the multi-billion-dollar market of the cryptocurrencies. Also, one important thing to know is you only can deposit BTC right now, so make sure you don't send the wrong cryptocurrencies to your wallet. The copy trading traders have at least a 4 years positive trading history, and which will provide the highest performance in trading for Bitonite users. The team has a knowledge which has built up for the past 8 years in the crypto space, which means that there are really qualified and experienced people behind the team and behind the project. I think I don't need to explain what Bitcoin is. It is an amazing cryptocurrency and amazing opportunity right now because the market is down. So there are already possibilities which you can use Bitcoin for example at the ATM for sell and buy, as a Bitcoin credit card, Bitcoin pause collection points, and the buying power with leveraged trading. And here you can see the crypto market growth, which is a really amazing chart. As you can see here, like 12 years ago we started with $28, now we are 12 years later at $28,000, which is like a 1000x already, which is so much if you have a look on the long duration. And one of the future possibilities is that Bitcoin reaches $250,000 until 2025, which would be really amazing for the crypto market. So what is Bitonite? Bitonite has different utilities, and at its core, it's a copy trading platform created to offer crypto investors a way to profitably grow their portfolio through trustworthy selected traders. You also have the ability to use the Bitonite education platform and to use Bitonite partners to get more income and commission rewards. Let's see an example how much money you can earn with Bitonite. So without Bitonite, if you would buy one Bitcoin and at the March 2020, you would need to pay $5,000, and 2 years later you would have a profit of $40,000. If you would have used Bitonite, so this is just an example how the future could look like, you would make nearly a 7x in these 2 years of the copy trading, which will then mean that you earn over $300,000 in profit instead of only $40,000. So as you can see, a great opportunity, but also make sure that everywhere where there's a high profit, it's also more risky. So only invest money you can also afford to lose. These are the trading results. And as you can see here, the goal is a monthly ROI of 7 to 10%, which is a great return on invest. So for example, if you have invested $10,000, you will make a monthly income from $700 to $1,000. So this is the goal. It's not 100% sure, but it's the goal. And 40% of the profit share is paid to traders, platform, and partners as a fee for all profitable traders. But only, which is really important, if the user's trading account is in profit. If you only lose money, you also don't need to share your profits, which means that the platform wants you to make money because then they also make money, which is pretty simple method. You also can use the funded capital copy trading of the platform. For example, you can choose $100,000 funded capital for a price of $1,500 $200,000 funded capital for a price of $3,000 and $300,000 funded capital for a price of $4,200. Make sure that you don't forget that the company participates with a profit share of 50%. So if you make $5,000 profit, $2,500 are for you, $2,500 are for the company. But it's also a pretty fair method because, I mean, you get so many funds just paid for such a low risk investment. So make sure that you think about it and maybe you will join this. The user yield plan, for example, with a $100,000 account is like this. Phase 1, you earn $3,000. Phase 2, you earn $2,000. And at the live stage, you earn $4,250. With a $300,000 account, it just multiplies by 3. So really great opportunities to make a lot of money. The Bitonite Academy is also a really cool thing. Unfortunately, I don't know the prices for these packages yet, but I think the packages are really worth it. For example, the basic pack. For example, there are basic education packs, which are the NFT video series basic pack, Web3 DeFi video series basic pack, and the Metaverse Gamify video basic pack. I think you will be able to purchase these basic education packs and just learn more about NFTs, Web3, DeFi, Metaverse, and Gamify, which is really important if you want also to invest money into these topics. And there are also pro education packs, and I think the education expert pack is a great pack. For example, you will have the opportunity to get into seed sale allocations, you will get access to high profit strategies and to the VIP Telegram group. So if you want to spend much money on this education pack, I think it will be worth it. Now let's get into the Bitonite cycle. There's a cycle of how you can invest your money and earn more money. At the first stage, you need to earn money. So you will use the crypto copy trading to earn more money and increase your cryptocurrency portfolio. Then you can use it for the Bitonite Academy, so you can gain financial knowledge and have an advantage to the other market members. At the cycle 3 of the cycle, you get into the funded copy trading, which will also bring a high risk, but also high returns. And at the point 4 of the cycle, you need to go back to the beginning. Pretty simple, just reinvest into the crypto copy trading, and then you just need to start again. So this is the cycle how you can get even more knowledge, more money, and lesser risks. That's the Bitonite roadmap. The platform pre-launch was made 1.5 months ago. The platform launch will be made in a few days. At the 5th of April, there also will be the decentralization of the login area. And also one really important thing is that often in this kind of copy trading projects, there are withdrawal stops if the project is going down. So this means that if you want to withdraw your money, you are not allowed to do this. But in this case of Bitonite, this won't happen because Bitonite has made the withdrawals combined with the blockchain, which means that no one can decline your withdrawal request. It will just be automatically completed through the blockchain, which is a significant point of more safety for the investors. So the next steps are the funded accounts integration, education portal, the decentralized crypto copy trading, which is coming in Q3 of this year, and the mobile app launch will also happen this year. Bitonite streaming will then be released next year, and the user targets are really interesting. If they really would achieve 100,000 members in the next year, this would be an amazing big platform, and it would be really great for the project. So as you can see here, the pre-registration is now live. You can get a 10% bonus on your deposits until April 5th. So if you want to do this, just use the link in the video description. It's a referral link, and then you can get your 10% bonus easily. How to start is also pretty simple. You need first to register on Bitonite, then you need to top up your account balance with BTC, like I already showed you with the deposit button. Then you need to follow a trader, which will be also released soon, as you saw on the roadmap, and that's it. There will be a one-time entry fee depending on the category of your balance by following a trader. So if you, for example, want to invest $2,000 and follow a trader, you will need to pay a 10% entry fee. But don't forget that you also get a 10% deposit fee, which means that this is like a 0% fee in this case. Also, if you are a whale and you are investing over $35,000, you will need to pay 0% entry fee, which is amazing. Now let's get into the Bitonite affiliate system. As you can see here, there are 8 levels of income streams, and you need to activate your own level with your own investment. For example, the 8th level costs $8,000, which is a big amount, but also it's worth it if you are building a great team with this referral links and commission plans. You will also receive commissions if anybody of your referral link users buys the funded capital. For example, if somebody wants $200,000 funded capital and he pays $3,000, you will get a one-time direct commission of $800. And also you get a recurring income with a partner, which is a great amount. For example, if you have 10 partners, it's already 5 figures, so great income. These are the entry fee shares. So at the first level you will receive 25%, second level 15%, and third level 10%. And at the education packages you will also receive a direct commission. So you need to think about how you want to use this project. Maybe you want to build a team and earn through the commissions, or maybe you want to invest and be a copy trader, or you can also just learn from the education platforms. Many different methods how to benefit from this Bitonite project, which is really great. This is the rank advancement, and as you can see here, there are many different ranks, bronze to president. If you are president rank, congratulations, because there's a bonus of $500,000, which is a really great amount. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.